Welcome to our review of the ACDelco Silver 18A925A Front Disc Brake Rotor. The braking system is a crucial component of any vehicle, and having the right brake rotor can make all the difference. In this video, we'll be discussing the features, specifications, and pros and cons of this brake rotor to help you decide if it's the right choice for your vehicle. So sit back, relax, and let's get started. The ACDelco Silver 18A925A Front Disc Brake Rotor is a high-quality rotor designed to provide superior braking performance. It features a non-directional rotor surface that helps ensure consistent, even wear and a smooth brake operation. The rotor is also designed with a meal-balanced finish, which helps reduce vibrations and noise while driving. Additionally, the brake rotor is made from high-quality materials that resist corrosion and wear, ensuring durability and longevity. Its design also incorporates vents to aid in cooling, which can help improve the overall performance of your vehicle's braking system. The ACDelco Silver 18A925A Front Disc Brake Rotor is designed to fit a variety of vehicles, including cars, SUVs, and light trucks. It measures 11.61 inches in diameter, 1.02 inches in thickness, and has a bolt circle diameter of 4.53 inches. The rotor is also designed with a hub bore diameter of 2.76 inches and a weight of 14.5 pounds. One of the biggest advantages of the ACDelco Silver 18A925A Front Disc Brake Rotor is its superior braking performance. The non-directional rotor surface and meal-balanced finish help ensure even wear and smooth brake operation, which can improve your vehicle's overall handling and safety. Additionally, the rotor's design incorporates vents to aid in cooling, which can help prevent overheating and improve braking performance over time. Another advantage of the brake rotor is its durability. The rotor is made from high-quality materials that resist corrosion and wear, ensuring longevity and reducing the need for frequent replacements. One potential downside of the ACDelco Silver 18A925A Front Disc Brake Rotor is its price. It may be more expensive than some other brake rotor on the market, which could be a consideration for drivers on a tight budget. Another possible disadvantage is that the rotor may not fit all vehicles, so it's important to ensure compatibility before making a purchase. In summary, the ACDelco Silver 18A925A Front Disc Brake Rotor is a high-quality rotor that provides superior braking performance and durability. However, its higher price point and compatibility limitations may be factors to consider before making a purchase. We hope this review has been helpful in your search for the right brake rotor for your vehicle. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews and helpful tips. Thank you for watching.